Today I'm going to use Instapot to cook black grams or black chickpeas, and for that I'm going to use one medium-sized chopped onion and one medium-sized chopped tomato. I soaked 2 cups of the black chickpeas overnight. The spices I have used are red chili, turmeric, coriander, cumin, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of salt. Either one is your choice. Add everything in the Instapot and add some water so that the top of the water is almost an inch above the surface of the chickpeas. Mix it all well before turning on the heat. Give a timer of 30 minutes with high pressure and more heat. Disable the option of keep warm so that once the cooking is done, the heat is turned off. As soon as the desired pressure is reached, this safety valve will pop up. Make sure that the venting is kept on closed. Once the cooking is done, you can boil off the excess water to bring it to a thickness of your choice. And also, if you like, you can add 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil, which I did in my case. This is what the final result looks like with coriander garnishing. Thanks for watching.